Let me guess. Everywhere you go, all the people you see flashing their lives on Instagram, even your friends and coworkers. Somehow you notice that all the people who talk the loudest about money always seem the most stressed. They have all the flashiest cars, the biggest watches, the endless Instagram motivation posts about grinding and winning. And yet somehow, they're always chasing the next paycheck, the next raise, the next upgrade, the next dopamine hit, just to keep the image alive. Well, here's the uncomfortable truth most people never say out loud. Real wealth doesn't look impressive at first glance. It doesn't announce itself. It doesn't flex. It doesn't beg for attention. It moves quietly, strategically, and patiently while everyone else is distracted by noise. That's stealth wealth. And today, we're not just talking about what stealth wealth is. We're breaking down why it's the most powerful money strategy in the modern world, why flashy wealth is quietly ruining people's lives, and how to do stealth wealth better than almost everyone you know without feeling deprived, boring, or behind. This isn't about being cheap. It's not about living like a monk. And it's definitely not about never enjoying your life. It's about becoming financially untouchable. And once you understand this, you'll never look at money, spending, or success the same way again. Now let's start with one of the most uncomfortable parts most people tend to avoid. Flashy wealth is not a sign of success. It's often a warning signal. The modern world has trained us to believe that looking rich means doing well. Bigger house equals winning. New car equals progress. Designer clothes equals status. Exotic vacations equal success. But what nobody tells you is that these symbols usually come attached to something far less glamorous. Massive fixed expenses, constant pressure, and a lifestyle that demands you keep running just to stay in place. So I need you to understand this clearly. Flashy wealth is loud because it's fragile. It needs constant feeding. It needs constant validation. It needs constant income flowing in to keep the illusion alive. And the moment that income slows down, layoffs, emergencies, burnout, bad timing, the whole thing starts shaking. Stealth wealth, on the other hand, is quiet because it doesn't need approval. It doesn't rely on applause. It doesn't care who's watching. And because of that, it compounds power in ways most people never experience. Think of flashy wealth like renting confidence. It looks good while you're paying for it, but the moment the payments stop, it disappears. Stealth wealth is owning peace. And peace, unlike appearances, compounds over time. This is why stealth wealth is so powerful. It doesn't attack money problems at the surface level. It attacks them at the root. Most people try to fix their finances by earning more, hustle harder, work longer hours, chase bigger salaries, add side hustles on top of already exhausting lives. But stealth wealth doesn't start with income. It starts with control. Control of spending, control of lifestyle inflation, control of time, control of emotional decisions, control of how much money you actually need to survive and feel secure. Stealth wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how little you need to win. And that single idea changes everything. Oh, and while we're on the subject, most people will watch this video and don't apply anything I'm telling you. And it's not just this video. We've created an entire playlist to help you fully understand how to build generational wealth. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and consider becoming a member to always stay up to date. But anyways, all right, here's where things get interesting. If stealth wealth is so powerful, why doesn't everyone do it? Let me answer that for you. Because flashy wealth is seductive. It feels good immediately. It comes with compliments, likes, validation, social proof. Stealth wealth comes with nothing, at least at first. No applause, no recognition, no instant gratification. And most people would rather feel rich today than be free tomorrow. Flashy wealth is a financial prison that people walk into willingly. They see the highlight reel, but never the behind-the-scenes stress. Bigger house? Sure. But now you're locked into higher taxes, higher maintenance, higher utilities, higher insurance, and less flexibility. New car looks great, but it's a guaranteed depreciating asset with monthly payments that don't care how your month went. Designer lifestyle feels elite until you realize none of it pays you back. It only drains you quietly, month after month, while convincing you it's normal. You don't own the lifestyle owns you, and ownership always comes with rules. You can't quit your job. You can't pivot easily. You can't say no to toxic situations. You can't slow down. You can't breathe, because everything depends on keeping the money flowing just to maintain appearances. That's not wealth. That's being well paid and overbooked. Meanwhile, stealth wealth doesn't look impressive, but it moves differently. It creates margin, and margin is where freedom lives. Margin means you can survive bad months. Margin means you can walk away from bad deals. Margin means you can take risks when others can't. Margin means you don't panic at every unexpected expense. Margin is power. And stealth wealth is built entirely around creating and protecting margin. Now let's clear something up, because this is where people get confused. Stealth wealth is not being cheap. It's not depriving yourself. It's not saying no to everything fun, and it's definitely not hoarding money for no reason. Stealth wealth is intentional spending. It's selective spending. It's knowing exactly where your money goes and why. It's understanding that every dollar either buys you freedom or buys you friction. Flashy wealth asks one question: will people notice this? Stealth wealth asks a different question: will this improve my future? One chases dopamine. The other builds dominance. This mindset shift alone puts you ahead of most people. Because while others are optimizing for appearance, stealth wealth optimizes for leverage. Instead of asking, how can I look successful? You start asking, how long could I survive without income? How flexible is my life? How fast could I change direction if I needed to? How many bad decisions could I absorb without panic? Those questions don't sound glamorous, but the answers determine whether you're powerful or fragile. And here's the thing nobody tells you. The system rewards fragility. It loves people who are dependent, overextended, and constantly stressed. They're predictable. They're controllable. They can't walk away. Stealth wealth opts out of that game entirely. Now let's get into the actual mechanics. Starting with the strongest and most important rule of stealth wealth, the one almost nobody follows and the one that changes everything once you do. Lower your life's break-even number. Your break-even number is the amount of money you need every month just to exist. Rent or mortgage, utilities, food, transportation, debt payments, subscriptions, insurance, lifestyle spending, everything. Most people have no idea what this number is. They just feel stressed and assume that's normal. It's not. And let me give you a golden piece of advice. The lower your break-even number, the more powerful you become. Because suddenly, income becomes a tool instead of a lifeline. Someone who needs $2,500 a month to live comfortably is more financially powerful than someone who needs $7,500, even if the second person earns more. Why? Because the first person has margin. They have options. They have room to breathe. Lowering your break-even number doesn't mean cutting joy. It means cutting noise. Subscriptions you don't use. Status expenses that add nothing to your life. Lifestyle upgrades that came from comparison, not necessity. You're not punishing yourself. You're reclaiming leverage. This is why stealth wealth feels so calm. It's not because rich people don't have problems. It's because their problems aren't existential. They're not one missed paycheck away from chaos. And once you lower your break-even number, everything else becomes easier. Saving feels lighter. Investing feels possible. Risk feels manageable. Stress levels drop. Decision-making improves. This is the foundation. But here's where stealth wealth really starts separating itself from budgeting advice. Lowering expenses alone doesn't build wealth. It creates space. And space is useless unless you fill it with something productive. That brings us to the next rule. Turn every dollar into a silent worker. Most people treat money like it's disposable. They spend first and hope something's left over. Stealth wealth flips that entirely. It treats money like employees. Every dollar has a job. And if a dollar isn't earning, protecting, or multiplying, it gets fired. There are only two types of spending in the world: consumption and conversion. Consumption disappears. Conversion turns into something else: assets, skills, opportunities, leverage. Stealth wealth prioritizes conversion. That doesn't mean you never consume. It means you consume intentionally, and after your future is funded, you still enjoy life. You just don't sacrifice tomorrow for today's impulse. A simple example makes this obvious. One person buys a $60,000 car because it feels earned. Another buys a $30,000 car and invests the difference. 5 years later, the first person has a depreciated vehicle and payments. The second has assets producing income. Same income, completely different futures. This isn't about deprivation, it's about direction. Now here's a mistake that even smart people make. They invest, but they do it loudly. They chase hype, trends. The next big thing: meme stocks, crypto fads, anything that promises excitement. Stealth wealth hates excitement. Stealth wealth loves boring assets, boring strategies, boring consistency, because boring money wins. Quiet investing isn't sexy. It doesn't make good social media content, but it works because it removes emotion. Automation beats motivation every time. Stealth investors don't need willpower. They build systems. They contribute consistently. They ignore noise. They let time do the heavy lifting. Hell, not only that, but stealth wealth loves boring because boring is predictable, and predictability is power. I mean, I completely get it. Excitement feels productive. But in money, excitement is usually a warning sign. The more thrilling an investment feels, the more variables it hides. Stealth wealth avoids that trap entirely by favoring systems where outcomes are statistically boring but directionally inevitable. When something works the same way in good years, bad years, election years, hype cycles, and recessions, it stops being entertainment and starts being infrastructure. Boring strategies also reduce decision fatigue, which quietly destroys more wealth than bad math ever could. The average person doesn't fail because they chose the wrong investment. They fail because they're constantly choosing what to buy, what to sell, when to pivot, when to panic. Stealth wealth removes choice from the equation. Automate it, schedule it, repeat it. The less you think, the fewer mistakes you make. There's another advantage nobody talks about. Boring money attracts less attention. No friends asking for tips, no family members watching your every move, no pressure to explain why something is down this quarter. Silence protects focus. Focus protects consistency. Consistency compounds. Flashy strategies invite commentary. Boring ones invite results. And finally, boring strategies scale without stress. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need insider information. You don't need to be early. You just need to stay. Stealth wealth understands that the real edge isn't intelligence. It's endurance. And boring is the easiest thing in the world to stick with when life gets chaotic. That's why stealth wealth doesn't chase excitement. It lets excitement chase other people. While boring quietly builds ownership in the background. The goal isn't to get rich fast. It's to get rich in a way that can't be stopped. Consistency compounds. Flash doesn't. But money isn't just math. It's emotional. And this is where stealth wealth becomes a psychological weapon. Most people don't lose money because they're bad at numbers. They lose money because of ego, fear, comparison, and impatience. Stealth wealth neutralizes all four. Comparison is the silent killer of wealth. The moment you start watching how other people spend, you start spending money you don't need to impress people you don't even like. You don't know their debt. You don't know their stress. You don't know what they're sacrificing behind the scenes. Stealth wealth opts out of comparison entirely. It plays a private game. No flexing, no proving, no panic, just quiet execution. And that emotional discipline creates a massive advantage over time. Now let's address the question people are secretly asking. Okay, but can you still enjoy life? Absolutely. Stealth wealth doesn't hate enjoyment. It hates waste. The difference is what you spend on. Stealth wealth spends on freedom, not status, time off, flexibility, health, experiences, control, peace. A $5,000 trip that gives you memories for a lifetime is infinitely more valuable than a $5,000 object that impresses nobody in a year. Stealth wealth asks one simple question before spending. Will this make my life better or just louder? If it doesn't buy freedom, it's probably noise. At this point, everything starts coming together. Stealth wealth isn't one move. It's a system. Lower your break-even number. Convert dollars into assets. Invest quietly and consistently. Remove emotion from money. Spend on freedom, not status. That's the blueprint. No hacks, no shortcuts, no flexing, just control, and control compounds. Eventually, something strange happens. You wake up and realize you don't need permission anymore. You're not trapped, you're not desperate, you're not playing defense, you're free. Let's recap quickly, because this matters. Flashy wealth is fragile. Stealth wealth is powerful. Lower expenses create freedom. Assets beat appearances. Quiet money wins long term. If you build wealth quietly, one day your life gets loud with options. And here's the twist most people don't expect. Even people who understand stealth wealth still sabotage themselves without realizing it. In the next video, we're breaking down the sneaky money habits that keep smart people broke, even when they earn good money. If this video clicked, drop a comment with the words stealth wealth to reaffirm this. And if you're ready for the next level, watch the next video where we break down 10 things millionaires love that only 2% of people actually do. Once you see how the system really works, you stop playing loud games and you start winning silently.